Hi students, today we're going to talk about the words loud and soft. So we've been practicing our music, and loud singing is when you have lots of sound. So if I was singing the rain song and I wanted to use a loud voice, I'd have lots of sound. So it'd sound like this. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Now, if I wanted to sing softly, softly means a little bit of sound. And singing the rain song would sound like this in my soft voice. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. So I have some pictures of little bitty raindrops, and I have soft right there, and then I have a big huge rain cloud and thunder and the rain just coming down. So let's practice singing the songs in our soft voice and our loud voice. Let's try softly, just like little raindrops. Ready, go, rain, rain, go away, come again another day. All right, we're going to use our loud voice now. Ready, go, rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Let's try our soft voice again, just like little tiny raindrops. Ready, go, rain, rain, go away, come again another day. All right, one more time with a big, loud thundercloud. Ready, go, rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Now, what we're going to do next with our rain song is we're going to find some things in our house that we can make music with. So we're going to find some, maybe we have instruments at our house, but maybe we don't have instruments at our house. What could we use at our house to make soft sounds like little bitty raindrops or loud sounds like a big thundercloud? So I'm going to look for things in my house that are soft sounds and loud sounds. All right, so I am back. I found my things that make soft sounds and loud sounds. So for my loud sound, I have a pan, a cookie sheet. I'm dropping it and I'm hitting it. That makes a pretty loud sound. And then for my soft sounds, I have a bag of Skittles that don't have a lot of Skittles left in them. But if I move them slowly, they have kind of like raindrop sounds. So I'll use that for our soft sound. Now, I'm going to sing the rain song, rain, go away song in a loud voice and then a soft voice playing the sounds that I found. Okay, are you ready? Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Okay, now my soft sounds. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. All right, that was pretty fun. I'm going to do it again. Now, loud sound. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. All right, soft sound. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. All right, so I would love to see you finding things in your house that are making loud sounds and soft sounds. And I want to hear you singing the rain song and playing that instrument. I can't wait to see what you find.